Windows enthusiasts, exciting news from Microsoft. A new update for the Microsoft Copilot app on Windows is rolling out to Windows insiders, bringing a host of enhancements designed to elevate your user experience. What's new in Microsoft Copilot? Native XAML application with redesigned UI. The Copilot app has been rebuilt as a native XAML application, introducing a sleek side panel. This intuitive design allows you to effortlessly start new conversations and access your conversation history, streamlining your interactions with Copilot. Personalized assistance for your PC. Copilot now offers tailored guidance for your device. You can ask specific questions like, "How do I set up a Bluetooth headset on this device?" and receive instructions customized to your current Windows version, making device management more straightforward. Enhanced accessibility with keyboard shortcuts. Accessing Copilot is more convenient than ever. On all PCs, you can summon Copilot using the Alt plus space * shortcut. For those with Copilot Plus PCs, a dedicated Copilot key provides instant access, ensuring that assistance is always just a keystroke away. Rolling out to Windows. Insiders, this update, identified as version 1.25023.101.0 and higher, is gradually being deployed across all insider channels via the Microsoft Store. Given the phased rollout, not all insiders will receive the update simultaneously. Microsoft is keen to gather feedback during this preview phase to ensure a refined Copilot experience for all users upon general release. Looking ahead, Microsoft's commitment to integrating advanced AI capabilities into its products is evident with this Copilot update. By embedding AI-driven features directly into the operating system, Microsoft aims to enhance productivity and provide users with intuitive tools that simplify everyday tasks. Stay tuned for more updates, and happy computing!